Hello students, welcome back in your chemistry online class. In previous class, you have learnt about matter and its characteristics. In today's class, you will learn about kinetic theory of matter and different states of matter. Let's see first kinetic theory. The main postulates of kinetic theory is matter is composed of very small particles called atoms and molecules. The constituent particles of a kind of matter are identical in all respects. These particles have space or gap between them, which are known as interparticular or intermolecular space. There exists a force of attraction between the particles of matter which holds them together, and this force is called as intermolecular force of attraction. Particles of matter are always in state of random motion and possesses kinetic energy, which increases with an increase in temperature and vice versa. These are the main postulates of kinetic theory. Now, based on the kinetic theory, there is a comparison between the different states of matter. First is solids. In solid, the particles have low kinetic energy as they are held together by intermolecular forces of attraction. The molecules are not free to move and they only vibrate in their mean position. And as the particles, they have low kinetic energy, the solids have fixed shape and they are hard and rigid and difficult to compress. Next, liquid. In liquids, the particles have more kinetic energy to stretch the intermolecular forces of attraction. As compared to solids, they have more kinetic energy and they have weaker intermolecular force of attraction as compared to solids. Just because of weak intermolecular force of attraction, the molecules are loosely packed and particles are able to move freely and randomly. This makes the liquids flow and take the shape of the container into which it is poured. And as the liquids can flow, liquids are also called as fluids. Next, gas. In gases, the particles have enough kinetic energy to break all intermolecular forces of attraction. It means the particles are in random motion and there is a very weak intermolecular force of attraction between the molecules. And during motion, these particles collide with each other and also with the walls of a container. Suppose a gas is kept in a container or in a cylinder, then the gas molecules, they are in random motion and during that motion the particles collide with each other as well the molecules collide with the walls of the container, and just because of their random motion the gases have neither a fixed shape nor fixed volume. They completely fill up the space available to them. And gases also can flow, so they are also called as fluids. Today's homework: explain kinetic theory of matter and mention its main postulates. Question number 2. Solids cannot be compressed. Why? Question number 3. Why gases and liquids are called fluids? Question number 4. Explain the properties of solids, liquids and gases based on kinetic theory. Write these answers in your chemistry notebook.